Tennant Company, a leader in creating innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the Tennant V-BP-6 and V-BP-10 and Noble's Aspen 6 and Aspen 10 high-performance backpack vacuums that provide portable, anytime, anywhere cleaning. The 6 and 10 quart backpack vacs increase productivity while providing health and safety benefits, all with a low cost to clean. And because it's a Tennant product, it's built with quality and durability. Tennant's BP6 and BP10 and Noble's Aspen 6 and Aspen 10 backpack vacuums feature the Deuter hiking harness, a German-engineered harness that's designed to reduce operator fatigue and muscle strain while being more comfortable to wear and use. Safety is improved through increased user mobility, comfort, and flexibility. Tennant's backpack vacuums produce high-performance cleaning results in a variety of applications. Enhanced tool options maximize productivity and reduce your cost to clean. The telescoping wand option delivers increased durability and flexibility for the operator. The premium Sidewinder tools are perfect for getting into tight spaces and cleaning around obstacles and furniture. The 3-tool kit options let you choose the right cleaning tools for your application. Maintain indoor air quality with 4-stage filtration with HEPA that collects dust particles down to 3 microns with 99.97% efficiency. Tennant's backpack vacuums are LEED qualifying with 67 dBA, HEPA filtration, and CRI Gold certified with the high-performance tool. A low 67 dBA noise level means it's comfortable for the operator and quieter for building occupants. The 6 and 10 quart backpack vacs feature durable, long-lasting parts, increase operator safety, and improve productivity through a heavy-duty 50-foot yellow cord with improved strain relief, a user-friendly affixed on-off switch, a new removable kettle plug for increased cord protection and easy replacement, and an upgraded, more efficient motor with superior vacuum lift versus leading competitors. The premium Sidewinder toolkit reduces operator fatigue by using body rotation versus standard push-pull motions and can increase productivity by up to 50%. Improve productivity and spend more time cleaning with easy-to-change filters and bags. Easy-to-use design lets you spend less time training and more time cleaning. Keep your Tennant V-BP-6 and 10 and Aspen 6 and 10 operating at peak performance by using only Tennant True parts designed to fit your backpack vacuums, delivering long life, high performance, and durability. Tennant and Noble 6 and 10, providing exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use, high-performance backpack vacuum. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.